I've been in that. They have motorcycle. They have motorcycles inside the building at that place. Motorcycle mechanic. Whoops.
Is it open? Let's see if it's open. Is it open, Jack? Oh, it's already open. Thank goodness.
So Mary went on and on to.
Thank goodness. Will you tell Danny, ask Danny if he wants a grape. Say, Danny, you want a grape? Okay, close them up again. Okay, ready? Is it closed? Is it closed now, Jack? Good job. Show Dan. So closed. Show Dan. Is it closed? Show it to Pops. Show it to Pops. See if it's closed. Shake and shake.
Let me see. Let me
shake
see.
And shake.
Shake and shake. Great. So after you left, she's going on and how she wants.